Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make money on Ecwid. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you're not already. And after doing so, in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, go ahead and create a new one and create your store. And after logging in successfully, you can access your store from here in this homepage, where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started making money and getting payments in our Ecwid store. Basically guys, what we need to set up is right here at the left side of the screen. Once you have set up all your products, you can see in the catalog section right here, you can set up the products that you want to sell, you can set their prices and everything. And once you have set up all of this, now we can get started with adding our payment methods. At the left side screen you want to click payment right here. That's going to open up this menu where we can manage all the payment methods, such as paying by cash, how you want to receive your money. You can even connect PayPal to use with your store, manual payment methods, and so on. All the payment methods that are available in your store. You can also go ahead and choose the payment processor that you want to use. Doesn't matter what country you are, you can find all the processors right here. If you cannot find your processor that you want to use, you can just go and select this option right here to go ahead and contact Ecwid directly to ask them to add your payment preferred processor to your store. And once you have set up a payment option, people will be able to buy your products that you have put in your store using the payment options you have selected right here. So that's how to get your money. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.